Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha arrived in Kumarghat today by rail to inaugurate the state-level Tharlak Kut 2026, the traditional harvest festival of the Darlong community. The celebration, held in the Darchawi area, saw a vibrant reception from community leaders and local residents. Accompanying the CM were Minister Tinku Roy, Pabia Chhara MLA Bhagaban and other prominent officials.
Chief Minister! Chief Minister! Chief Minister!
Our Chief Minister and our Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Honorable Chief Minister.
During the event, Dr. Saha emphasized the historical significance of the Darlong community's recent constitutional recognition and the government's commitment to tribal welfare. The CM noted that the Constitution Scheduled Tribes Order Amendment Act 2022 successfully ended the long-standing identity crisis and deprivation faced by the Darlong people. He described this as a victory for cultural pride and historical dignity. Since 2022, Tharlak Kut has been officially recognized as a state-level festival and integrated into the annual calendar of the Information and Cultural Affairs Department.
Implementing budgetary works in tribal dominating areas. We have also this another project that is in the forest region, element project. We have already borrowed about 1,700 crore. That is also for the development of the tribal peoples. The state government is making dedicated and continuous efforts for the overall socio-economic development of tribal communities, ensuring effective implementation of welfare schemes, honoring history and identity of the tribal community. As a mark of respect to the Maharaja, the Agartala Airport has been renamed, already you know about it, as Maharaja Bir Vikram Kishore Airport. A full-length statue of Maharaja Bir Vikram Kishore has also been installed at the airport. At the heart of Agartala city at Kamanchomoni, a statue of Maharaja Bir Vikram Manik Bahadur has been installed. The birth anniversary of Maharaja, 19th August, has been declared a government holiday. 12 tribal-dominated blocks in the state have been declared as aspirational blocks with special focus on education, connectivity and improvement of living standards. We gave about more, alongside the budget, we give extra 10% allocation for development of those areas. The traditional tribal attire, Risha, then Pachra, then our pineapples, have received national international GI tag recognition. Between 2019 and 24, seven members of tribal communities have been honored with the Padma Shri award on the recommendation by the state government. You must be knowing that Thanga Darlong also have received out of them. The social pension for tribal community heads have been increased from 2,000 to 5,000 without any capping. Several hills and places have been officially renamed to reflect traditional tribal names, restoring historical identity. On 16th January 2020, the long-pending issue of Bru-Riang refugees lasting 23 years was resolved through a historic agreement signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura and Government of Mizoram and Bru representatives. On 4th September 2024, in the presence of our Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Manik Saha, a tripartite agreement was signed in New Delhi. On 24th September 2024, members of the NLFT and ATTF formally surrendered with arms. To ensure effective implementation of tribal welfare works, dedicated officers have been assigned at both district and sub-divisional levels. In every district, TCS ranked district tribal welfare officer. In every subdivision, a sub-divisional tribal welfare officer have been appointed to oversee projects meant exclusively for tribal communities. 84 Bonadhan Bikash Kendras have been established across the state. collection and value addition of forest produces such as broom, grass, amla, tamarind and medicinal plants are promoted. Under the World Bank, this assisted Tripura rural economic growth and service delivery project that is stressed about 1,400 crore is being invested for improving education, connectivity and livelihoods in tribal blocks. Under special livelihood package, 1,316 families have received income generation support and 100 market sheds have been constructed. Under the Chief Minister's Tribal Development Scheme, 9,326 beneficiaries have received 25,000 each, amounting to a total expenditure of over 23 crores. Under the Chief Minister's Tribal Women Entrepreneurship Development Programs, around 20,000 tribal women artisans have been covered through free yarn distribution. Each artisan received 1.25 kg of yarn free of cost, valued at approximately rupees 887 per kg.
Tharlak Kut is a post-harvest festival celebrated with immense fervor by the Darlong tribe. It is a tribe of thanksgiving marked by traditional music, dance and community feasts, reflecting the rich agrarian heritage of the indigenous people. Pure report, Chini Khorang.